we want to give a special thanks to Mattel for sending us this free gift. Star Wars Barbie. In a miniverse far, far away, Barbie and Star Wars came together to create only the best collab ever. Star Wars and Barbie dolls are the culmination of two cultural phenomenon joining forces to create a unique and unexpected collaboration. Inspired by the original concept art from Star Wars: A New Hope, Robert Best and the Barbie design team reimagined the iconic characters through a high-fashion Barbie filter. While this inspired by collection captures the essence of each epic character, with an exciting twist, it also reflects the Barbie fashion legacy for over 60 years. We are going to take an in-depth look at each doll. Today, we are taking a look at the Princess Leia inspired doll. This doll is currently available on Amazon, however, prices were varying. On Barbie.Mattel.com, she is available for pre-order for $100. This doll is for the adult collector, and it is available to ship on November 18th, 2019, as of right now. The box is white and gray. There is a drawing of Princess Leia on one side, and it says Star Wars Barbie on the other. It's got a pretty cool little shape here, definitely something worth displaying on a shelf. On the back of the box, there is the symbol for the Rebel Alliance. I looked this up at StarWars.com. The symbol represents a starbird and can be seen on uniforms in The Force Awakens. Then in front of it, it says, the Barbie Star Wars collaboration is a homage to Star Wars: A New Hope. This eponymous collection, inspired by the film's original concept art, reimagines iconic characters through a distinctive Barbie high fashion filter. Carefully remove this outer layer and the sides open up. Ooh, that's cool. There are sketches on the sides. This one looks very much like Princess Leia with a dress that's flowing down, and the other drawing is the inspired doll. I really like all these clean lines. The box is more narrow at the top than it is at the bottom, so we're gonna open it from the bottom. And we get to see all of this lovely information. No more than 20,000 worldwide. This product is intended for adult collectors and not intended for children under 14 years of age. Inside, we will find the doll, a doll stand, and a certificate of authenticity. They did not want anyone to open this. There was a lot of work in getting this doll out, but I think we got it. Yes! After a lot of patience, she is free from the box. She has dark brown hair that is parted down the middle, separated into two buns with a braid that goes around them. It all meets in the back, and there is a hairnet holding it all in place. She has dark brown eyes with little stars in them, gray eyeshadow, and a neutral lip color. She wears a plastic silver-colored necklace. It is left open in the back. There is a matching belt and bracelets on both wrists. The belt is also only in the front. She comes with a small accessory. It's silver, made of plastic, and it has the Rebel Alliance symbol on the front. It can open. Let's place a clear rubber band inside, allowing part of it to hang out so she can hold it. She comes with a Star Wars doll stand. It has a black base and a clear pole. Her shoes stop just below the knee. They are molded. They're white. There is a small opening in the back to assist with removal. These are heels, and the heel is painted silver, as well as some small details going up the side. The dress is all white, going past the doll stand and touching the floor. There is a train in the back and a slit in front. There is some lining on the inside. It's got a nice little satin finish. It's just on the front. The back of the train is not lined. There is a little on the other side of the split. I want to say this is a crepe material. I could be wrong, but I think it's a crepe. There are lots of sewn panels, allowing it to contour to the body and flare out at the bottom. The dress comes a little off the shoulders and has these large, beautiful sleeves that are lined. So yeah, that's a plus. Her arms are bent, holding the sleeves back, but let's see if they can lay all the way down. That is a no. There is some stitching right here. Can you see that? There it is underneath. That stops the top of the sleeve from hanging all the way down. But it still looks really nice. I could totally see Senator Padme wearing something like this because we all know she was the fashionista of Star Wars. And this doll was inspired by Princess Leia, so yeah, it runs in the family. This doll has the basic 5 points of articulation on the model Muse body with double bent arms. So she can move at the head, shoulder, and hip. Her fingernails are painted, and she looks ready to take on the Galactic Empire or go to Fashion Week. If you're a Star Wars fan and a Barbie collector, this is definitely a must-have. But be sure to grab that pre-order price because some of the other ones don't look that friendly. At $100, let us know in the comments down below if you think this doll is a buy or a pass. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at the Princess Leia inspired Barbie doll. Check back for our reviews on the rest of this collection. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.
This is me, I still on it, 'cause you all wanna be loved. Yeah, you all wanna be loved by a champion, champion. This is me, I'm so royal, and you all wanna be round. Yeah, you all wanna be round, round champion, a champion. Yeah. All I wanna do is just say